Chapter 1. The Unexpected Visitor. Once upon a time, in a land not so far away, in a small town lived a young girl named Sasha. Sasha was growing up in an Orthodox Christian family and attended church every Sunday with her parents. Sasha was a beautiful young girl who loved learning and was always eager to discover new things. It was an early spring Saturday evening, and the weather was perfect. The sun was shining, and a light breeze blew through the air. Sasha was playing ball with her friend outside, enjoying the beautiful weather. As the sun began to set, it was time for Sasha to go home. "Hey, let's meet again tomorrow morning and continue our game," her friend suggested. "I can't meet in the morning," Sasha replied. "My family and I go to church every Sunday morning." Her friend looked at her with confusion. "Why do you need to go to church? My parents say that God is everywhere, and we can pray anytime and anywhere we want. Let's meet tomorrow morning and pray together, and then we can play." Sasha felt uneasy and unsure of what to say. She knew her friend was also a Christian, but her family didn't go to church often, usually only on Christmas or Easter. "I need to go to church because my family goes," Sasha said finally. After saying goodbye to her friend, Sasha went home and began to think about what her friend had said. Was it true that they didn't need to go to church to pray? Was it enough to just pray alone? Sasha felt a deep sense of confusion and uncertainty. She wanted to know more about God and His church, but she didn't know where to start. So she did the best thing she could think of. She prayed to God and asked Him to help her find the truth. As she drifted off to sleep, she had a dream in which she met a beautiful archangel. He appeared before her as a young, handsome man with long curly hair, wearing a flowing golden cloak adorned with gold and silver. He was holding a book, and his beautiful wings shone in the shimmering light of his halo.
"Sasha, fear not. My name is Uriel. I am a messenger of God, sent to guide and assist you in your quest for knowledge and understanding of your faith."
Sasha was not afraid at all. The angel looked very friendly and beautiful. She had so many questions. She started by asking him what the Orthodox Church is and who started it. She wondered who brought it to North America and why people want to join the Orthodox Church, especially with so many different churches around in America and Canada. Uriel smiled and explained to Sasha that the Orthodox Church is the original Christian church that was founded by Jesus Christ and His apostles in the year 33 AD, 33 years after Jesus was born, on the day of Pentecost. He told her that the Orthodox Church has been around for almost 2,000 years, and that it has its roots in the Holy Land, where Jesus lived and preached. As members of the Orthodox Church, we follow what Jesus taught. Our Lord Jesus Christ came to earth a long time ago to show us how to live as His followers, so that one day we can be with God in paradise. Since its start, the Orthodox Church has kept Jesus' teachings the same, even when others tried to change them. This is why it's called Orthodox, right believing or true teaching. Uriel also told Sasha that in 1794, missionaries from Russia came to North America and started the Orthodox Church here. Later, Orthodox Christians from all over the world, like Greece, Bulgaria, Serbia, Ukraine, Romania, and other places in Europe and the Middle East, arrived and helped to build up the church. He explained that people join the Orthodox Church because of its rich history, deep spirituality, which means connection with God, and beautiful worship. But the key reason why people want to be part of the Orthodox Church is that they want to worship God the same way as people did since the time of Jesus Christ's disciples or followers.